Hello and welcome to another episode of revisingblog.in, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to talk about my experience with Thrive leads. So using Thrive leads within a week I got almost 100 email lead, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to talk about two important opt-in which has done the job for me. One of the form type or opt-in type is a screen filler lightbox, and the other one is the scroll mat. So in this video tutorial I'm going to talk about these two. Both of them are mostly use full screen opt-in box, and using this you can throw a pop-up on the user screen which will cover the complete screen, and you can offer any kind of ebook or offer discount or anything. User cannot ignore it because it will be displayed on the complete screen, and that is the importance of this. One other important thing is the difference between screen filler lightbox and the scroll mat. The difference is a screen filler lightbox will be on the screen, as I said, on the complete screen, and user cannot ignore it because they have to use a close button to close it off. I will show you in the later part. The scroll mat is something which user can ignore. They can click anywhere on the screen, or there will be a no thanks button which can be clicked, and they can ignore it. Okay, so let's see how we can create a scroll mat and the screen filler lightbox. So to create it, first you need to click on this button which says add new type of opt-in form. Once you click it, you can see the scroll mat and the screen filler option. As I already created it, you will not see it again enable here, but you need to click on this and then proceed to create a form on that. So I have already created a screen filler lightbox, so I will show you this example. If you do not have this, you will create it from scratch, but because I have it, I'll go ahead, edit it, and show you what I have done with that. So once you click that, you need to create a different opt-in form. You can have more than one form. This is the trigger option, like when it will be displayed. For me, I have chosen 20% scroll percentage. You can of course choose the other option here. So that means that once the user will scroll 20% of your content and then he will try to go beyond that, then a pop-up will come. Okay, so that is about when the trigger will happen for this form, and of course the display frequency. Here you can select for how many days you want to keep on displaying it. Let me change it to 7 days. And this is the animation, how you would like to have it. You can select different kind of animation. You have it here. Now let me show you how to create an opt-in form. That is a specialty of Thrive leads. So once you click on the edit form button here, edit design, you will land up here. So this is the place where you will create your opt-in form. And now this is the template. If you click here on the right hand side and choose opt-in template, you can see there are a lot of templates already available. You can choose whichever you want depending on your need, and once you select your content, the template, you can select that and you land here. Here you can select your text. I mean, you can make editing, the box, the buttons and everything, and also you can connect with your services. If you have a MailChimp, group mail, get response, any other email provider service, you can attach it here. So once you do that, you'll click on save changes. This will save the changes. Now you need to come back here to your Thrive lead dashboard, and there you will see the screen filler lightbox you just created will be here. The same way you need to create the scroll mat. Let me show you what I have created. The same way you need to go on to create a new form, and of course you can select the display frequency all the time. I can anytime come here and I can choose something like 7 days. So you can change it as per your requirement. Now let me show you the edit design part and how it will look like. See the difference between that. If you come here, you may not be seeing here because I have a script running in my WordPress, but if you can see here, there is a scroll button. Once you click on this button, this complete pop-up will go away. I can show you a preview here. Let me show you a preview of welcome mat. Now see here, can you see a scroll box? Once I will click this whole form or this whole screen will go away and they will come back to your blog. So this is something which can be ignored, but the first one which I have shown you, screen filler lightbox, cannot be ignored, and the only way to ignore is to click on the close button to make it go away. Okay, so once you land here, you can make all the changes. You can change the text whatever you want. You can change the button, the email text box. You can add something like name if you want to capture the name also from the users. You can add it here. Once you do that, you need to come back to the Thrively dashboard, and let me show you the most interesting part. What I do for my blog is I have created a screen filler lightbox and a scroll mat both, but I don't want both to be displayed together. So what I will do a test type of form against each other. This is the A by B testing, and I'm going to select the scroll mat and the screen filler lightbox. So once I will start the test, let me click on that. Okay, I need to give a title. We can give a test competition, and we'll start the test. Okay, so now what we will see here is, you will not see the enable button here, and also for the scroll mat as well as the screen filler, because there is a test currently in progress. See it here, there's a competition going on, and once you click on this link here, it will take you to the latest status, and you can see here there is a testing going on between screen filler lightbox and the scroll mat, and whichever is performing well, Thrively will automatically select one of them. So for example, you have created two versions, or one is scroll mat and one is screen filler lightbox, and you don't want to put too many things to the user. You want to have a competition among the form and select the best, whichever is performing the best. So you need to come here, automatic winner setting are disabled, you just need to enable it. Here you can set the different criteria, like how many conversion you want before you select that as a winner, how much duration, and of course what is the chances. So if either of these three will be true, that will be the winner, and Thrively will automatically select the winner. So at a time, only one form will be displayed to the user. It will see how the form is behaving over a days, and whichever is performing best for that day, that will be the winner. So right now it's randomly selected this one as a winner, but as the day progresses, it will try to display both the form and select one of them as a winner. This is a very good way to make a competition between more than one form and select a winner. And this is working very fine for me, because I don't want to, I don't know which one is performing better. So I always do a by B testing, or you can also say as competition among forms, and then let Thrively decide which one is performing better, and from that moment onwards, that will only be displayed. So I hope this video help you to understand the welcome or home page screen filler opt-in and how to do A by B testing. And I will highly recommend you to try Thrively and use A by B testing, and then let the Thrively to select the winner by itself. And I am sure this is going to help you to get more leads, more email leads, and make you a successful blogger. Thank you for listening this video. I will see you in the next video. Please do not forget to share, subscribe, and comment to this video.